In today's video, we are going to do a llamada por tangos. So that means a little break in the rhythm, in the palo of tangos, and it's good for all levels of flamenco. I'm Rina Orellana, and I have an online flamenco studio where I have courses for new beginners all the way through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. You can click the link below for your free 10-day trial. But let's begin. So a llamada is any movement that is a call or as some sort of a break that starts something, closes something, or is an accent in something. But a llamada in the palo of tangos is something that you see, this movement that you see all the time in tangos, that movement specifically or some variation thereof. So we are going to do a little tangos llamada right here. So we are going to start off with that first part, ba, ba, dum, bam. So that first part is a golpe, and you want to bring that left leg out. So when you do that golpe, you bring your right foot to the center line, and scoot out that left, and boom, and boom, and boom, okay? And you want to make sure that your standing leg is slightly bent, it's relaxed. So you don't want to be up here, but you don't want to be down here either. Okay, so we have and boom, ba-dum, bum. Now that upper body, boom, we're going to bring our arms together. Arms together. So you want to engage that upper back, boom. And boom, so that right arm's kind of above the left, and the hands are going, brr, brr. I'm closing it and closing it. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, back step. Again, and 1, 2, back step. And ba, ba, dum, bum. And then from there, we go ta, 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 ta. Okay, so that little step right there is called redoble, and you'll see that a lot in flamenco as well. And you're going right, left, left, right, all flat. Da, ga, ga, da. Now it may look like I'm going flat, heel, flat, flat. I'm not. I'm not. So I'm going da, ga, ga, da. And you want to relax to be able to get that double. And da ga ga da, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, da ga ga da. Okay, so you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and ba, bam ba, da ga ga da. And you want to use those arms again also. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to close our llamada with a bum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that is golpe, clap, thigh, golpe. Okay, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, clap, thigh, boom, back down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bring the arms up. 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. When you end, 1, 2, 3. Up, right, left, and you're going to end left twisted. Okay, so again, that last section was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, right, left. Okay, let's put that together. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, back, step, hold, da, ga, ga, da. Golpe, clap, thigh, right, up, right, left. Now when I bring my arms up at the end, I bring up my leg, boom, boom. Because I was over here, up, bum. All right, again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Da da, bum, ba da, ba, up, bum, ba. Ole. So let's practice that using solo compás, and we're going to do a little marcaje in between. So the marcaje, the marking step, will just be a front marking, step, together, step, together, step, together. And just make sure that when you step forward, that you are not opening or not lifting up that back leg. You want to keep that back leg firmly planted on the ground. All right, let's practice that with solo compás. 5, 6. Here we go, front marking. So 1, we'll do 8 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go, and Yamada. Clap, thigh, golpe, up. Ole. Here we go again. 1, ba-dum, bum, ba, ba-dum, ba. Relax the hip. Relax the hip. And here we go. And Yamada. 1, 2, back step. Back. 1, 2, 3, twist, up. Ole. 3, 4. Here we go. And front. Okay, 7 and 8. Yamada and pa. Up. Let's go a little faster now. Okay, here we go. And ba, ba-dum, bum, ba. Relax the hips. 5, 6. Yamada and pa, ba-dum, ba, ba-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Ole. Here we go. And seven, 8. Here we go. And Yamada. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. One more time. And ba. 7, 8, and back step. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Ole. Now let's practice it faster using guitar. Okay, here we go. And 1, ba-dum, bum. Relax the hips. Keep the arms rounded. Knees relaxed. Last one. Yamada and ole. Ba, ba-da. Hold. Here we go. And front together. Front together. Front together. Relax. Breathe. joining me in this quick tutorial for Llamada por Tangos. If you want to study more with me online in a systematic approach, I encourage you to join me in my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a wonderful membership for dancers for new beginners through advanced levels to speak, feel, and dance flamenco. I have courses for choreography, technique, and flamenco theory, plus a vibrant community, and live practice trainings and workshops, and it's just a great place. Been people from all around the world, thousands and thousands and thousands of people have danced with me there. And I invite you to join me with a free 10-day trial. Click the link and I'll see you inside the studio, and I'll see you next time as well.